And liberty, let it be found within our borders.
Kogalo anthem.
Kogalo, Gor Mahia. Kogalo, Gor Timbeduto yuakni. Abandu yuak. Gor Mahia. Ichwedo. Gor Timbeduto yuakni. Mayanga yuak. Gor Mahia. Ichwedo. Gor Timbeduto yuakni. Kogalo. Gor Mahia. Kogalo, Gor Timbeduto yuakni.
Could we remain upstanding for word of prayer?
Mungu Baba Mwenyezi, nakuja mbele yako asubuhi ya leo Baba, tunataka mkutano wetu Baba, uwe nasi, uongoze, utulinde ukiwe nasi hadi kwa mwisho Baba, tunasema asante. Mungu wetu, tunaomba uwe nasi, utulinde, uwe nasi. Mungu wetu, tunaomba machache kwa moyo wako. Yesu Kristo ndiye Bwana mkombozi wetu.
Asanteni sana, karibu National Treasury. Gor hoye.
Hoye.
Nitamkaribisha Vice Chair Sally to introduce to us the chair, who will in turn introduce the captain and the players.
All protocol observed. Good morning. Ugalo hoye. Ugalo hoye. We want to take this opportunity to thank the Minister, Honorable Mbadi, for inviting us here today. We'll want to introduce our office, then I will hand it over to my president. At the executive, we have our admin manager, Ronald Ngala. We have our honorable treasurer, Mr. Gelfas.
Kogalo, oi. Champions, oi.
We have our secretary general, Mr. Aru. My name is Sally Bolo, the vice chair. I want to hand it over to my president. Thank you.
I don't want to say I'm called the president because I think in our constitution there's only one president in this republic, okay? So I'm the chairperson of Gor Mahia Football Club. My name is Ambrose Rachier, and I am happy to be here. The Honorable Cabinet Secretary to the National Treasury, we are greatly honored to be here. I've already expressed, first of all, my very sincere apologies for arriving in late. I had certain challenges that I could not personally overcome, but I am grateful that you have allowed us to be here. Just that is a place I've not been to, so I'm very grateful that we are here. Ugalo hoye! Ugalo hoye! I'll be very brief in our introduction. And I would like us to start with, I think let's start with our yes, let's start with the stewards. The stewards, is this right? Stewards. Our stewards. Okay. Just introduce yourself.
Abel Opondo, security.
Thank you. Thank you. Good. Is there any other person from the state security? Yes.
Gabriel Ogaja, head of club security.
Thank you. Any other?
Geoffrey Nyage, security.
Good. Thank you. I've given sufficient time for our security people to introduce themselves. I think the next one is our media. Media. Tony Hanelka?
I'm here, Chairman.
Yes. Please introduce the media personnel in.
Okay.
This
My name
audience.
is Tony Wori, well known as Tony Anelka. I'm the media liaison of Gor Mahia. Thank you.
Any other?
Irongo Getao, photograph.
Thank you. Come. Any other facets of the media? Thank you. I think that is done. We have our choir. Thank you.
Habari zenu. Mimi naitwa Toby Suba. Member representative. Leonardo Nyango, coordinator Kogalo Team Choir.
Thank you.
Hello? Yes.
It's very rare that you get a waziri apologizing to take a phone, you know. It's a perfect example of humility that I tend to bore you with. Right. I think we talked about good. Right.
My name is John Mbadi. I'm the Gor Mahia Bishop.
Do we have that in our constitution? Agreed. Any other bishop? Any other bishop amongst us? Any other bishop? I think we have that bishop. So we also have devolved government. Call it fake devolved government. We have COC, that is Council of Chairpersons, because we have got branches. Yes. You know, we are normally assuming certain titles that are considered fake. For example, we are Sirkal, fake government, fake Sirkal, Gor Sirkal. I said, how? Fake Sirkal. So.
Thank you, Chairman. Kugaloi. My name is Apollo Char, Gor Mahia COC Chairman. Thank you.
Thank you. Anyone from the COC? Anybody from the COC? All right. I think the next category that we have are yes, I think we have friends of Gor Mahia. Dan?
Thank you. My name is Victor Jaolo.
And a friend?
Thank you, Chairman. My name is Jolabi Obondo. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other friends? Thank you. Any other friends? Good. So we have to move very, very fast. I think we come to the technical bench. Yes. Thank you. Technical bench and the support team. Yes. Good.
Charles Akono, the head coach.
Thank you.
Josh Uma, the team doctor.
Ben O, goalkeeper trainer.
Thank you.
Joshua Kufiboafu, the video analyst.
Thank you.
Jojo Mondi, kit manager.
How long have you served in Gor Mahia?
From 2009.
22.
What's the significance of 22? Yes. 22 times champions. Thank you. Proceeding with continuing with the technical bench or support staff.
Jambo Polo, driver.
We call him pilot, flying at 3 feet above the ground. You see that the bus flies just 3 feet above the ground. So these are our pilots. Any other pilot? We have so good. Right. So I think now we want to get to the playing unit. Unless there's serious objections, we'll start with the goalkeepers. Goalkeepers, we just all of you rise. Yes, you can see we have 3 goal keepers. We start with the shortest or the tallest?
The shortest.
God Matthews Ongota. Right, that's our goalkeeper. Yes. Kevin Olwoch Omondi. You. So goalkeeper. And Ban Omondi Odiambo. Thank you. So those are our three goalkeepers here. Right. Now defenders. Back. Some people call back. Right. See those two players. Sometimes you just see them from a distance. We look at. Right. We'll start with right back. Philemon Omondi Otieno. There's so many Omondis here. Good. That's also our team captain. Then we have David Cheng Oiti. Yeah, so that's one of our newest, started from the youth team. Levin Odiambo, left back. Here we have somebody called Simiti. Cement. Hades Geoffrey Ochen. Yes, left back. Then I have somebody called Michael Kibuage. Michael Kibuage is called TV also. And lest you think we just come from just one village, come from somewhere in, is this Kisi? Yes. Yeah, Yama? Durajabili. Michael Kibuage, also our priest. We have very many priests. Not ordained, but you will see that's one of our priests. At the other, please keep standing. Keep standing all just keep standing. No. You're the ones I'm introducing. On the right there, we have somebody called Paul Ochuoga. Plays on the right full back. I'm sure you've seen him also doubling up from the wing. And then we have somebody from the Republic of South Sudan, Mayinga Isaac Deng. We have somebody again, going to see them. Deng. Still growing up. Thank you very much. Thank you. Center backs. Center. Midfielders. Call it. Midfielders. Some of us don't know where we are playing. Right. Now I'll start with the longest serving midfielder. You will translate his name in your own language. It's called Ernest Wendo. Sometimes we say visitor. Sio mgeni. Umechezea klabu kwa muda gani?
11 years.
11 years. Thank you very much. The next one I would want to say is Fidel Riga. Thank you. And right, George Amono. That's from Ghana. Right. Alpha Onyango. That's the distinction of having been signed by Gor Mahia when he was in primary school. Many years ago. Right. Then we have Lawrence Juma. Signed him from Zoya many years ago. Zoya Football Club. And he is with us. Riga came from Bandari. And we had a lot of problems getting him. People saying, no, we don't want you to take him from us. Good. Alpha Onyango is the unit team captain wearing something on this. Usually the left or the right? Left, yes. Thank you. Then Nimbaya.
Mbaya.
Yeah, he's the noisiest player we have, and we just want him to be arrested and charged for noise making. Enoch Morrison from Sunday from Ghana, plays in our central roving central midfield. Now, any other field I have not? Thank you. Right. Strikers, all the people who harass the leagues and all kind of, you know. Please, all of you keep rising. Quite a number of them. Yes. We will start with the left. Alhamdulillah. Right. Please, that young man, I'm sure you've seen him somewhere terrorizing the defenders from the left. Yes. Sharif Musa, coming from Ingo. Ukraine. Ingo, yes. Chesamisi. So that is one of our left attackers. This young man is called Ebenezer Adukua. Tell the name? Adukua? Yes. Ebenezer. So that's also from Ghana. Thank you. And, we have a young striker, Mark Shaban. See, we still have the ones who are coming up. So we are not spent. I think you've seen some years coming forward. You're going to see him striking, and don't be scared. We'll be very, very friendly. Monsieur, comment vous appelez-vous?
My name is Patrick Esombe.
Patrick Esombe, de quel pays?
I'm from Cameroon.
Oui, il vient de Cameroun, parce que on parle toujours des étrangers chez nous. Il y a Monsieur Patrick Esombe qui joue à la position d'attaqueur. Il a marqué beaucoup de buts au Kenya. Donc, qui va faire notre traduction? Quelqu'un? Donc, Patrick Esombe is from Cameroon. You normally see him coming and chasing, and people get very, very, very worried. And then we have somebody from Migori County. There's somebody saying he was very, very, he claims that he comes from a very golden area, but you have not seen any gold. William Oande, Owino, Oande, playing, attacking midfield. Thank you. Yes. Ebenezer again. So we need to look at what Ebenezer means. They are from our Bible, and those who read the Bible find out the meaning of Ebenezer. Asifua Idu is another name. He is a striker, one of our strikers. Terrorizes. I think everybody gets scared when all the defenders get scared when they see him, because he will go full force but scores. Thank you. A rare player in our midst. This is a lawyer and a striker. Chris Cheng practices law, and he's also a lawyer. I mean, a striker for Gor Mahia. He's been with us for about 2-3 years now. Right. Thank you. Then, Kunasida. That is Samuel Kapen. Yes, from Thailand. So just look at the combination. Samuel Kapen. Right. You see number 22 at the back. Watch out for him. Number 22, again, you heard about that. So what's happening in Gor Mahia about number 22? Right. Thank you. Bryson Pangai took him from Equity Football Club, and he comes from Nyahururu. Comes from Nyahururu. So he's talking about ethnic dominance or ethnic issues. Bryce Rangai plays left wing from the other side. Felix, he says he's a natural striker. Do we have a natural striker? Felix Luach, you have not seen him for a long time because of injury. But by the time he got injured, he scored 7 goals or 8. And he says if he had gone the full blast, he says he could have scored 32 goals. That's what he was telling me. So, and you will see the real number 32 when I chase it. So, who am I left out? I think, yes. Striker. Iko sawa nafikiri. So I just want to say that is our team, and we need to clap for the waziri kupatia fursa ya kumtembelea yeye na watu wake. Gor people, please be rising, standing. Okay, waziri, 1, 2, 3, Sanja.
Yes, how are you? Yes, I am. Yes.